Hi, today I wanted to talk about how to find peace when we're in conflict. So, that conflict may be with another person, it may be with a spouse, it may be with a child or a relative, or just someone we work with, someone in society, or it may be bigger conflict. Our country might be a conflict with another country. Ukraine and Russia are in conflict with each other. Israel and Hamas are in conflict with each other. So, how do we find peace when there is conflict? Well, that conflict is actually dis-ease inside of us, right? When we're experiencing conflict, we do not feel at peace inside. So, in order to find peace when we're in conflict, we actually have to find that dis-ease inside of us. We have to work with it to let it go so that underneath we find that peace. It's already there underneath. We just have to find the dis-ease, acknowledge it, feel it, accept it, and allow it to dissipate so that the peace that is already there underneath shines forth. So, how do we do that? Well, the first thing to do is, I suggest, writing down all the thoughts that you have around conflict, around this particular conflict. What are the thoughts that are coming to mind when you think about conflict? Write them down. What are your beliefs around this conflict? Write them down. What are the emotions you're experiencing around this conflict? Write those down. What judgments do you have around this conflict? Write those down. What memories do you have around the conflict? When have you experienced this kind of conflict before? What does it remind you of? Write those memories down. Now, those are the memories and the thoughts and the experiences from our point of view. Now, see if you can put yourself in the shoes of the other person or the other society, the person or the people on the other side of this conflict. See if you can put yourselves in their shoes and then write down the thoughts that you think they are having. Write down the judgments that they are having, the memories that you think are being brought up inside of them. Write all of those down. Now, a conflict may also be a conflict within us about particular choices. We're conflicted over which path to take or which choice to make. You can also do this work with that kind of conflict. Imagine going down one path. Write down all the thoughts that come up there. Imagine going down another path. Write down all those thoughts for that path and do the same kind of work. Now, if you've listened to me before, you know I'm going to suggest doing EFT or tapping. So what you would do is tap through each of these thoughts that are coming up, because the thoughts come up because there is energy inside of you that is attracting or bringing up those thoughts. So if we neutralize that energy, the thoughts actually stop coming up again. They may come up again slightly differently in a different way at a different time, but you will have shifted the energy around that thought by doing this tapping. So tap on each thought, tap on everything you wrote down, all the judgments, all the memories. Put yourself in the other person's shoes and tap through those things that you wrote down and see if you can get to a place where the thoughts and the memories and the emotions no longer have any energy left in them. Then see what happens. See if you think differently, if you feel differently. Maybe different thoughts will come up next time. Maybe something deeper, a deeper emotion will come up next time, and you can work on those. But if you can keep going, if you can do the work on the conflict until it no longer feels like a conflict inside of you, that is when you have found inner peace. That is when you have forgiven. That is forgiveness inside of you. You've then released the dis-ease inside of you, and you have healed, essentially healed part of yourself. So it's worth doing this work, because I do believe we can change the outcomes of some of these conflicts by doing this work. So try it for yourself. See what happens. All it takes is some work, some time, some dedication. But if you can change the world, if you can change the world inside of you at least, let go of some of that dis-ease, it's definitely worth doing. Thanks for joining me. Have a good week. Bye bye.